We're back between two big seeders. Well, we're going out to the field today. My task is to get the tuning rings on the rest of the meters. We didn't have enough, so let's get after it. Tag along for the adventure here. It's gonna be a good one. Let's go. This back meter's all ready to go. I'll show you that here. We're gonna release the lock, pull our meter out. All right, you see those tuning rings are called, those plastic spacers. We have determined how many of those are needed per run, per tower. That way, it meters out the proper amount of seed per run. So if one run only has 5 rows connected to it, it's obviously going to need less product, less seed, than something with, let's say, up to 12. That's what these tuning rings are for. It balances, it calibrates, it normalizes, whatever you want to call it, the system, and it makes sure that it meters correctly. So that's what I'm going to do on the rest of these. In order to perform this operation, you're going to need the high torque impact. Just kidding. You're just going to need a few wrenches. All right, so I'm going to take these tuning rings, dump them in a bucket. Because we're going to do some cooking and get these softened up. All right, one down, 2 more to go. Now that I've done a couple of these, I'm gonna see how fast I can do the last one, which happens to be a green meter roller. I'm gonna do the last one as fast as possible.
I'll time you.
Okay, it's...
Are you ready? And time. How'd you do?
I'm not ready.
That's your name!
There we go.
She'll say something about hey Siri.
Okay.
Hey Siri.
6 o'clock. Hey, don't talk to my Siri.
Is it trying to talk to
You
you?
just set an alarm for 6 o'clock. Stop. Hey Siri, delete
Siri,
that.
stop it!
Get out of here.
What?
Okay, 6:01. It's not 6 o'clock. I'm taking my minute back. Okay, it's 6:43, but in my defense, I was distracted a little bit. Good distractions, right? Like you guys get, I'm sure when you're farming. When the kids call, when the wife calls, or you can hang out with them, you gotta take those moments because a lot of times we're not spending enough time with them. Yeah. So we got this nice and set up. Those flutes are more aggressive, they're deeper than this medium rate. This is for the smaller seeds, the wheat and such, smaller rates of fertilizer. This is your high rate meter. So we're done. 4 out of 4. Finally. Let's go put them in the cart and call her good. Well, it only took me like 3 hours to get these done, so. We made a quick pit stop here, run just a little to the east here in Havre, Montana, to check out another drill, a pillar drill that's a little bit older. It's a 2014 model, and I couldn't waste this opportunity to have Jody show us around this machine and show us what to look for, how to adjust it, how to maintain it.
So I like to inspect the drill every year. I would traditionally go to most customers looking for those kind of wear points, disc wear, seed boot wear. What we're also looking for when we're doing these inspections to see if the openers have walked around on the frame at all. One of the things that you'll find is the outer ends as you turn and go through the field like this. These ones take a lot of pressure from the side. The other thing we look for on the old Mark IIs, on these pins, they are on the new ones, they're captive on both ends. On these ones, they're only captive on this end. So you'll see egging, I call it, so it'll oval that hole out. I'm also looking at, if you look at this one, how flat this is sitting in parallel to the ground. These look wonderful. For a 2014, it's quite impressive. On the center frame, we have walking beam axles, and the walking beam axles carry a lot of weight when this thing's folded up and going down the road. There's a bearing inside of there. We switched to bushings in 22 and beyond. These will start to hit. So if I'm seeing indications that this is hit, front or back, we need to look at the bearings. And our digger tool has the adjust line and the change line. Very simple. You just drop that in, you hit the center hub. It's a 6-inch hub, and we go here and it says, oh, 6 inches. It's a brand new disc.
Well, we're gonna get back to the Welkers. Man, just had a great chat with these guys. Why are they choosing the pillar? There's a lot of reasons, and they're excited to see this thing have a different result than what they're used to with the other equipment. There's the big bud. Oh! It's seeding good. Look at that beauty.
Making acres.
So Jody and I are just checking depth here. We're making sure that it is performing the way it actually is designed to perform and the way it should perform. We're finding some good results here. We've got a little bit of moisture. They're actually surprised with how much they have down there. Hopefully that sticks around.
What I do first thing is I find my channel, I dig in, and I hit the seed bench. So we're at 1.25 inches. So then all I'm doing is pulling dirt away. Yep, there we go. There's seed right there, and there was one right there.
What else are you seeing, Jody?
Well, when you talk about moisture, Matt, it's awesome. We're 1.25 inches, and at an inch, I grab the dirt like this, and I can make that. And in Montana, he's pretty impressed to see that. Things are looking great. I've got consistency all across the rows. He's seeding at about 4.5 to 5 miles an hour, not pushing it. Brand new drill, so he's trying to get himself comfortable with all the processes as he goes through, but very happy with the startup out here at Welkers.
And by the way, startup is not always perfect. We have not just waltzed out here and everything was all set up and working great. We've had to do some adjustments. We found some leaks that we've had to adjust some things to make sure that there's no air going out anywhere. But that's the whole process of getting started. And the cool thing is the blockage system. What do you think of that J-Aussie blockage system?
That's the first time I've seen it on a drill. Met the guy less than a year ago, and I've been, honestly, another competitor. I've known it for 15 years. And the simplicity of how to install it, and it seems like the accuracy after this first part day is very good. So I'm going to be, I'll probably be recommending it as I see some farmers through the time. So yeah.
Find ourselves in the big bud, but not the big bud.
Right.
Scott, what do you think of that thing over there? It's actually happens to be, where is it? It's over there, and it's actually seeding. It's seeding good, it seems like.
Looking at the pillar, the cart looks amazing with the stainless steel tanks, the scales on it, the way that it's set up, the meter housing is simple to get at. LSWs is definitely well, you know we like LSWs, so I got nothing bad to say about those. And the black rims, that looks pretty darn good. The toolbar is absolutely mind-boggling. How it folds up, how it works is just crazy to me. And the amount of steel that they put these things together, I don't think... You would have to be doing something pretty darn dumb to make it break, is my opinion. So those two look really good together. The pillar, cart, toolbar, and that tractor.
Yeah.
They just There's something about it. It just looks really cool looking. I mean, I might be alone on that, but meant to be. Yeah, it was meant to be.
Look at that beauty.
Ready to go.
The rest is up to you guys now. I got to help there. That was all right. I got to wash a big bud. Who gets to say they washed a big bud?
Yeah.
I do now, and you, and you. Watch the Welker Farms, watch our channel. We'll have all this awesome content of these big buds. And sweet cart, sweet drill. Thanks, guys.
Right on. See you, buddy.
Like and subscribe for new videos each week, including the latest tips and tricks, new products, and various adventures. Also, shop online at RedE.Ag for your performance air seeder solutions, planter parts, and more.
It's good look, right, guys? It's good look.